Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at a stocks chart. It's a stock that should be very interesting also for cryptocurrency holders. I'm talking about MicroStrategy. The stock underwent a split recently and therefore we want to take a look at the updated chart. Let's go. So we are on our website, dailymarketupdate.com. You can register here for free and you get access to all of these Elliott Wave updates, as said, completely for free. We click on our tech stocks section and here you can see that among the recently updated stocks we have eBay, Netflix, Nvidia, but also MicroStrategy, which I find very interesting, especially because it has a very positive outlook. Then there was a stock split, so it should be interesting for more traders, more investors now that the price has gone down. Obviously it might make it easier to trade them then in this case. And let's take a look at the 1-day chart. On the daily chart you can see here the long-term outlook, or medium-term, long-term. Things like this could happen quite quickly, you know, especially if let's say the crypto sector gets another move. Also MicroStrategy might follow accordingly. Obviously it's not moving exactly like Bitcoin. It is not as simple as that. It is a company, it is a business with its own P&L, its own financial data, fundamentals and everything in the background. But because MicroStrategy has invested so heavily into Bitcoin, obviously there are certain correlations. What we see here on this chart is that in 2021 we have seen a wave 1, the first wave of a larger impulse to the upside, a very, very long wave 2, kind of similar to the cryptocurrency bear market, and the surge that happened from here, from the $44.59 swing low level. That surge looks as if we are now in a third wave rally, and you can see on the chart that our minimum expectation for this third wave is the $364.97 level. So let's say 365. Further upside targets which are completely realistic in a third wave are 411 and maybe even $487. Of course, there's a long way to go, and I'm not saying this is going to happen next week. I'm not even saying this is going to happen next month. It might take a while. It's impossible to say how long it might take. However, these are the expectations. It's not going to happen in a straight line, but as long as we're holding $44.59, because this is a key level, below that level expectations might change. This is the roadmap. We can see the more detailed wave count on the 1 hour time frame. Here you can see that after this wave 2 bottomed early in 2024, I think it was in January, the wave 2 bottomed at $44.59. Another 1-2 setup formed, and this is the 1-2 setup in the larger third wave. So we have a 5-wave move up in magenta wave 1, which indicates the trend, and then a corrective pullback in wave 2. In our preferred interpretation, which we assign a 63% likelihood, the wave 2 is still unfolding. It does look a little bit unfinished. It might get one more low. It already reached our trading area here in August. So if you actually registered on the website, then you would have received an update recently about MicroStrategy, where we had the trading area just before the price dipped into this area. Now it dipped into it, reversed. At least it showed a bounce. It's not yet a clear reversal, but it has definitely shown us a bounce. But we only say that only with a 37% likelihood the low is already in. And in the alternative wave count, the third wave to the upside, which would be the third wave of a third wave, it has already started. But that's only the alternative. It would require a break above $200 to confirm that further. No, in the preferred interpretation, we get one more low. Have a support area here on the chart, which is defined between $61.50 and $103.49. It's just like a standard Fibonacci retracement area where such a wave 2 should normally, you know, finish. And the structure that we see at the moment just makes it a little bit more likely that this area will be tested once more. So this is also an area where we then expect a reversal and where long positions could be entered. If you do that, that's entirely up to you. It also depends on your trading plan, your risk tolerance and so on. But it is an area where we are watching for a reversal. That's the update about MicroStrategy. Hope you enjoyed the update. If you did, then leave a like, subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, and also let me know in the comments which cryptocurrency or other tech stock or other asset you want me to analyze in one of the next videos. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.